Hello friends, welcome back to the Justice Junction. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to continue Law Commission and its report. Let's start. 19th Law Commission, Chairman Mr. Justice P.V. Reddy, 2010 to 2012. 235th Law Commission report talks about conversion and reconversion of another religion mode of proof. 236th Law Commission report talks about court fees in Supreme Court and corporate litigation. 237th Law Commission report talks about compounding offences. 238th Law Commission report talks about amendment of Section 89 of Code of Civil Procedure 1908 and allied provisions. 239th Law Commission report talks about expeditious investigation and trial of criminal cases against 2012 influential public personalities. 240th Law Commission report talks about cost in civil litigation. 241st Law Commission report talks about passive athnesia. 242nd Law Commission report talks about prevention of interference with the freedom of matrimonial alliances 2012, a suggested legal framework. 243rd Law Commission talks about Section 498A IPC. Now we are going to discuss about 20th Law Commission. Chairman Mr. Justice D.K. Jain, 25th Jan 2013 to 5th October 2013. And Chairman Mr. Justice A.P. Shah, 2013. The 20th Law Commission witnessed a transition in leadership with Mr. Justice D.K. Jain serving as chairman from Jan 25th 2013 to October 5, 2013. Subsequently, the commission was chaired by Mr. Justice A.P. Shah, who assumed office on November 21, 2013. During the period, the commission continued its mandate of examining and suggesting legal reforms in India. Both chairmen, Mr. Justice D.K. Jain and Mr. Justice A.P. Shah, contributed to the Commission's effort in reviewing existing laws, proposing amendments and addressing contemporary legal challenges. Their leadership ensured the Commission's active engagement in legal research and consultations to uphold the principle of justice and contribute to ongoing development of the legal system in the country. Let's discuss about its report. 244th Law Commission report, electoral disqualification. 245th Law Commission reports talks about areas and backlogs creating additional judicial manpowers. 246th Law Commission reports talks about amendments to the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. 247th Law Commission report talks about Section 41 to 48 of Indian Succession Act 1925 proposed reforms. 248th Law Commission report talks about obsolete laws warranting immediate repeal. 249th Law Commission report talks about obsolete laws warranting immediate repeal. 250th Law Commission report talks about obsolete laws warranting immediate repeal. 251st Law Commission report talks about obsolete laws warranting immediate repeal, 4th interim report. 252nd Law Commission report talks about right to Hindu wife of maintenance, a relook of Section 18 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. 253rd Law Commission report talks about Commercial Division and Commercial Appellate Division of High Court and Commercial Courts Bill 2015. 254th Law Commission talks about the Prevention of Corruption Bill 2013. 255th Law Commission report talks about electoral reforms. 256th Law Commission reports talk about eliminating discrimination against persons affected by leprosy. 257th Law Commission talks about reforms in guardianship and custody laws in India. 258th Law Commission report talks about prevention of bribery of foreign public officials and officials of public international organization, a study and proposed amendments. 259th Law Commission talks about early childhood development and legal entitlement. 260th Law Commission report talks about analysis of the 2015 draft model Indian bilateral investment treaty. 261st Law Commission report talks about need to regulate pet shops and dog and aquarium fish breeding. 262nd Law Commission report talks about the death penalty. 21st Law Commission Chairman Dr. Justice Balbir Singh Chauhan, 2015. Let's discuss about its reports. 263rd Law Commission Report, The Protection of Children, Inter-Country Removal and Retention Bill. 264th Law Commission Report, The Criminal Law Bill. 265th Law Commission Report, Prospectus of Exempting Income Arising Out of Maintenance Money of Minor. 266th Law Commission Report, The Advocates Act 1961. 267th Law Commission Report, Hate Speech. 268th Law Commission Report, Amendments to Criminal Procedure Code 1973. 269th Law Commission Report, Housekeeping of Egg-laying Hens. 270th Law Commission Report, Compulsory Registration of Marriage. 271st Law Commission Report, Human DNA Profiling. 272 Law Commission Report, Assessment of Statutory Framework of Tribunals in India. 273rd Law Commission Report, Implementation of United Nations Convention Against Torture. 274th Law Commission Report, Review of Contempt of Courts Act 1971. 275th Law Commission Report, Legal Frameworks, PCCI, Right to Information Act 2005. 276th Law Commission Report, Legal Frameworks, Gambling and Sports Battling include cricket in India. 277th Law Commission Report, Wrongful Prosecution, Legal Remedies. Now we are going to discuss about 22nd Law Commission, Justice Rituraj Avasthi, 2022. 278th Law Commission Report, that is urgent need to amend Rule 14 Clause 4 of Order 7 of CPC 1908. 279th Law Commission Report, Uses of Law of Sedition. 280th Law Commission Report, The Law on Adverse Possession. 281st Law Commission Report, Compensation for damage due to installation of towers and transmission lines under the Indian Telegraph Act 1885 and the Electricity Act 2003. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the Law Commission and its report. Stay informed and stay engaged and stay tuned. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Goodbye.